So to begin with, I'd like you to come onto your beds, lay down on your back as if you've just woken up, and hug both knees in towards the chest. From here, you can gently roll side to side, just very gently waking up through the body. And then extending the legs all the way out and the arms all the way above you. Big body on, arching through the back, pointing through the toes, growing nice and tall. Inhale. Exhale. Release. Hug your right knee into your chest and then draping the right knee across to the left. Look back at your right hand. A little supine twist, saying hi to the back of the body, to the spine, to the right shoulder. And then coming back through center and swapping sides. Right leg extends, left knee hugs in and drapes across to the right. Look back at your left hand. Saying hi to the left shoulder and to the entire spinal column. Hugging both knees back into your chest again, and we'll find a happy baby. Grabbing the outer edges of the feet, bending the knees into the underarms, and then rolling as much of your lower spine towards the mattress as you can. So really gentle here, not trying to push anything too much. This is the very first thing we've done this morning after all. So taking your time and enjoying the gentle openings throughout your being. You can extend one leg and then the other if that feels right for you today. It may not, and that's just as good on or wherever you are. And then we're going to hug the knees back into the chest and roll up to a seat. Flip over, spread the knees wide, and we'll find our child's pose. With the knees spread, hands between the knees. Inhale, roll the shoulders down the spine, lift the chin, lift the heart. And as you exhale, tuck the chin to the chest and slide the hands forward. Child's pose. Find your space here, be as wide as you can, and then take rest. If you would like, you can even use a pillow and hug it in between the legs and fold down the belly towards the pillow. Couple of really deep breaths here. And then walking your way back up, removing the pillow if you took that option. And we'll find all fours. Tabletop position. Inhale, the right wing goes up. And as you exhale, thread the right hand beneath the left shoulder. Come down onto the right shoulder and the right cheek, the right temple. And then reaching the left arm up and behind you, maybe grabbing onto the inside of the right thigh. Keep actively and energetically rolling the right side of the chest towards the sky. Full breath in. And a full breath out. Release the left hand back down. Inhale, the right hand goes all the way back up. And then exhale back to neutral. Swapping sides. Inhale, the left wing goes up. Exhale, thread the needle underneath the right shoulder. Come down onto the left shoulder. Little cracks through the back are okay. Inhale, the right hand extends up. Choose to stay or maybe wrap it around behind you, taking hold of the left inner thigh. Full breath into the belly. Energizing and releasing breath out. Plant the right palm down. Inhale, extend the left wing back up. And then exhale, hand back down to the mattress. Cat-cows are a beautiful way to really energize through our whole being, as well as to really articulate and wake up through the whole spinal column. So as we're on our all fours, inhale, drop the belly, lift the chin, lift the heart. Exhale, curl the spine, push the mattress away through the palms and look towards your belly button, round through the back of the head, through the neck, through the spine. Inhale, drop the belly, look up. Exhale, curl and round. You can get really primal here with this. So this is a really personal practice, especially first thing in the morning. So you can close down the eyes and allow your body to tell you intuitively where it wants to move. Inhale. Exhale. Full breath in. Full breath out. Last one. Inhale. Exhale. And then taking the hips to the heels, one hand to the heart space, the other hand to the belly, and taking a couple of breaths. Beautiful. Stretching out through the wrist, the fingertips to the body, the inner wrist towards the other edge of the mattress, away from you. And then just pedaling out through the wrists a couple of times, really gently saying hi to the wrists. We use our wrists so much, especially if you do work at a laptop or writing all day, and it starts to add up really quick. And all of us are on our phones all the time and holding that. We're not actually naturally made to be using our hands in such a way so often. So it's really important that we do stretch out our wrists in every way, every single day. So then just getting intuitive with your wrists here, moving the hands around, maybe taking the tops of the hands down, fingers towards the body, palms down, fingers turn out. And then back to the way you started, inner wrist forwards, fingertips towards the body. Another one I like is taking two fists, taking the knuckles together, hands at your heart space, elbows out. And as you inhale, extend the hands away from the body. Exhale, hands back in. Inhale, extend. Exhale, back in. Last one, inhale. Exhale. And from here, if you would like to invite a gentle meditation into your morning, it's the perfect space and time to do so. Or if not, those are just a couple of poses and postures and movements that you can invite into your morning routine. Very quick, very gentle, but they do instantly activate through the body and energize to lead you into the day in the perfect way. Hopefully you can use this whenever you like, every morning if possible, or just whenever it feels called to you and you feel inspired. I hope you have a beautiful day.